Vaddem, and the work being carried out by St. Andrews Higher Secondary Institute or College is even more meaningful because all young students come here, they study, and as I always emphasize, besides the academics, you should have extracurricular activities. And here, they are going to have a futsal ground, they are going to have a pickleball, which is the latest trending sports with all the youth, as well as they have table tennis, they have chess, they have carom, they have pool table. What this shows that they want to build all-round personality amongst the students and even amongst the parents as well who will get to play here. So this has become a nice activity center for sports. I would call it and say that this entire thing is becoming a center of excellence for sports, for academics, for overall co-curricular activities in the manner that will definitely build good citizens with good sportsman spirit, with good character, and with a commitment to serve the community and do something good in their life. The St. Andrews Institute, particularly Dr. Elvis Gonsalves, has, I think, contributed immensely by coordinating everything. He was coordinating with me as well. And the singular devotion that he has to do something for the youth, as well as all his other colleagues, whether it is, we came here after the academics was inaugurated for 26-27 as far as St. Andrews College is concerned. We had none other than His Eminence, the Archbishop and Filipe Neri, the Cardinal Ferrao, as the chief guest. So that where he stood among the students for more than almost 5 hours, which showed his commitment to the youth, his commitment to the society, the good work that he does. He has to be complimented and applauded by everyone because if he can show such resilience and dedication to doing something good, particularly for the youth, for the students of St. Andrews College, I think it shows a rare personality which perhaps others don't know as much. I think this will go a long way in building the institutions even further. Today, as this is a vivid example, it's not only academics, it's a center of excellence for academics, for sports, for co-curricular activities, extracurricular activities and whatnot. So therefore, once again, hearty congratulations to all of them who made this happen.
आज आम्ही हांगा सगळे सॅनिटरी हायर सेकंडरीन आसा आनी ताजो स्पोर्ट्स एरिना म्हणजे एन्फिनिटी जो स्पोर्ट्स एरिना आसा ताजो इनॉग्रेशन जालो. हाज्या पयलीं आमी तांच्या स्कुलान आशिल्ले आनी मेरिटोरियस स्टुडंट्स तांकां फेलिसिटेट केली गेली. सेंट एंड्रूज स्कूल आनी हायर सेकंडरी हे गोंया भितरले एक बऱ्यांतले बरें स्कूल म्हणून आमकां वळखूंक येता आनी आज तांणी दाखोवन दिला की एक्सलन्स इन एड्युकेशन म्हणजे ते कंप्लीट पॅकेज कशी आसपाक जाय. म्हणजे फक्त एकाडेमिक्सान तूं वयर सरलो म्हणून जायना. एकाडेमिक्सा बरोबर स्पोर्ट्सान पसून तुवें घेवन फिजिकली पसून तूं फीट आसपाक जाय. आनी आमी जी फुडलीं भुरगीं म्हणटात ती आमी हुशार जावपाकूच जाय, पूण त्या हुशारी बरोबर फिटूय आसपाक जाय हें दाखोवन दिता. आनी त्या खातीर हांव स्कुलाचे सगळे मॅनेजमेंट तांचे प्रिंसिपल एल्वीस सर म्हणजे फादर एंटनी आतांच आमचे बरोबर आशिल्लो हीज एमिनन्स सुबोध फिलिप नेरी कार्डिनल फेर्राओ तोय हांगा आशिल्लो. एक बऱ्या वातावरणान आज म्हाका दिसता तांणी एक खंय तरी एक हे फुडाकार घेवन म्हणजे आज स्पोर्ट्स अरिना म्हणजे तातूंत फुटसाल आसा, पूल आसा, जाल्यार टेबल टेनीस आसा, कॅरम आसा, चॅस आसा, सगळे म्हणजे बुद्धीचो खेळा बरोबर फिजिकल एड्युकेशन सगळे तांणी एक बरें ऑल इन वन म्हणटा तशें केल्लें आसा. आनी हाचे बेनिफीट म्हाका दिसता भुरग्यांक खूब जातले आनी आपल्या एकाडेमिक्साक एक्सलन्स जाता आसतना स्पोर्ट्सान पसून एक्सेल जावपाक तांकां मदत करता.
Happiness and pleasure that we at St. Andrews Higher Secondary School proudly inaugurate our Andfinity Sports Arena. It was a long pending dream to have sports facilities good for sports facilities to our students. Because we believe education is not just academic excellence but all-round growth and development. And therefore, along with intellectual growth, there should be physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, social, cultural growth. And this is one of the areas, physical growth of our students. to be fostered to this Andfinity Sports Arena, where we have a futsal court, also a cricket pitch, a pickleball court, pool, indoor sports hall with pool, table tennis, carom, chess, and many other indoor sports. So with this, today I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Parent-Teacher Association of our institution, who so generously contributed to making this dream of ours a reality. And from now on, I'm sure St. Andrews institution that performs well in academics, in terms of co-curricular, extracurricular and sports activities will further their performance, and we will win bigger laurels not only for the institution but for the state and for the nation as well. So I thank our Honorable Chief Guest, His Eminence Cardinal Ferrao, our guest of honors, our Minister Mr. Mauvin, Godinho, the other guest of honor, our Honorable MLA Mr. Daji, Salkar, for their presence here today and for gracing this occasion and making us feel that yes, they are part and parcel of this family of St. Andrews. I thank everyone who was part of this project. We Play Sports, who constructed this sports arena. I thank them also. My staff, the PTA in particular, and all who in some way or the other contributed towards this sports arena. Thank you and God bless you.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.